What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. I have finished up the ONISIKI HANNYA and I'll give it its first test run at USTE 2022 and realized right away I had the wrong tires for that tile they was using there, which this was just the stock Security 5 tires that I put on here, stock rims and tires actually. This is the Tamiya RX-7 body with the DemiWorks Rocket Bunny kit. Yes, each one of these screws individually has to be put in. First you have to punch a hole and then put the screws in. And I 3D printed the diffuser in the back. I found this on Thingiverse, but it was way too narrow and not wide enough, so I had to modify it. And I designed these myself and put the little canard and gas cap I 3D printed, designed and 3D printed. This opening here I had to cut out just a little bit to get the gas cap to set in there completely. But here's the body on it. I still got some work to do on it. I gotta do the mesh and the LEDs and everything like that. So let's go ahead and put the magnets on here. When you're doing your magnets, put down some aluminum tape, then glue your magnets to the tape. They will literally last forever, but you can peel the tape off, take the magnets off, and it does not mess with the paint job. Some glues do. So it's a little helper there. Okay, here it is with all the ONISIKI electronics, their servo, gyro. Let me get you in here closer. Okay, there's the ONISIKI servo, the ONISIKI gyro. There's the number plate. I don't know if it's going to show up. Number 190 out of 300. Got the ONISIKI fan, ONISIKI velocity stack, the ONISIKI Shura 10.5 turn motor, the ONISIKI ESC here in the back. Let me try to get. There we go. Well, I have the capacitors glued to the side. It does have the ONISIKI etching or whatever you want to see. You can see it there. I've got my on-off switch also glued to the side there. The battery's a Gens Ace or an 1.5 battery that I just used. Some of the stickers that come in the kit, I just put on the battery, make it blend a little better. The battery adapters here, the plugs are from 1UP Racing. These are the ONISIKI. I think these are 3 millimeter, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, that's a lot better than you can pull these out. It's a lot better than just soldering your wires directly to the tabs on the motor. That way if you need to change them out, boom, change them out. You don't have to start unsoldering everything. So I'll turn it on for you. It's probably going to sound a little louder on video than it is in person. That's just how my video seems to work. So it's the rear fan. and the front fan. Both of those are spinning. It's just also have the ONISIKI spur gear plate there too. But that is a look at the ONISIKI Hannyya, I'm not even sure how to pronounce that word. With the full ONISIKI electronics. This fan shroud I wanted for the back, but they do not have a fan shroud for the 25 millimeter. This is a 30 millimeter fan with the 30 millimeter velocity stack, or whatever you all call it. Fan shroud, whatever, I don't know. I've always called it a velocity stack. So the back fan is 25 millimeter on the ESC. So I just got that one that kind of matches the gold accents on the motor. So that's going to do it. I just want to give you all a look at it after it was completely finished. And beautiful chassis. Let me show you the bottom. I don't know if you've ever seen the bottom. Check that out. Carbon fiber. It's also got the aluminum with etching on the bumper parts there. So that's going to do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.